Steel Dynamics presents New Millennium as a fabrication operation. But from its earliest beginnings, New Millennium has been an engineering and manufacturing company. Today, the company fully leverages its name by engineering and manufacturing a wide range of steel building systems. Engineering has always been central to the success of the company. Professional engineers occupy upper levels of management. Over 200 engineering-related professionals are now employed by the company. New Millennium was first to promote building information modeling and the importance of early design collaboration. We are progressively building relationships with architects and engineers. As a result, New Millennium is increasingly specified. Our engineering expertise has been widely published. The acquisition of new steel deck product lines has added to our momentum, attracting key decision makers in the marketplace. New Millennium has established an educational role in the development of better practices for building design and construction. Thousands of architects and engineers have taken our accredited education courses, with over 3,500 certificates awarded in 2016. New Millennium is a trusted consultant, offering better structural solutions and supporting new possibilities. We are engineering the way to more integrated and cost-efficient project delivery. We are a company on the rise, engineering the renewal of America's infrastructure. New Millennium Building Systems. We're building a better steel experience.